Hi there, and for this video, we'll be showing you how to withdraw your money from Coinbase. Now first off, you want to make sure that you have a bank account linked, and you can find that on the top right to your settings, and then go down to payment methods and then add a payment method. I can only add a Swift bank account. You may have more options, but if you have that set up, we can simply go back to the home page, and if we scroll down a bit, you can see on the bottom right hand side of the screen, withdraw cash. Now, I do not have an amount here that I can withdraw, but that is all you have to do. However, you do have to keep in mind that each currency has a different minimum withdrawal amount. As for BTC right now, it is 0.0001, which would be around 100,000 USD. You'll have to check on the minimum amount and the withdrawal fees from where you're at. Now, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please leave a like, maybe subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new tips. Thank you for watching, and see you again next time.